Okay, I'm trying to replace these two lights. Okay, I'm gonna put this one LED. It's a T10. I'm gonna put the description T10 or 194. You can see the package of two. Look at them box in Amazon. Okay. That's the light. Focus. You can lay on the top, all around. You look very cool. Okay. To get the access, you gotta remove this piece. You go right here. You got 4 clips. Okay. That's the clip. The clips I like that. What you have to do is push the clip. I actually do like that with this one. So let's see if I come on camera. See how you look like? When it's like that, you could push like that and come out. Very simple. Remove 4. The wheel has to be in the center, and this one go like that. See? We'll remove it, this part. You got these two. Okay? What you do is you push it down. It's a rubber. See? That's the way it is. Okay, when you remove it, just pull out. Very simple. On this one, push in. You can see the difference. Okay? And look at that. That's different. I like yellow, and the original is white. And that's it. Very simple to do. I don't know if you can see on the phone, but it's way more brighter on the other one. Alright? Okay. Any question? Let me know.